time you come up with the 911, and ideally when it's dry. I found two absolutely fantastic roads, one of which goes down this sort of hill and the most amazing route of hairpin bends, and quite a fast road as well. So much fun through forests and stuff. And it's also good as well. I've got quite a few routes that you can go circularly now as well, so you don't have to just double back with yourself. You can go to a number of different stop points. It's like chocolate.
Je moet me geloven, er is altijd een keuze. Ze kijkt je aan, waar moet ik beginnen?
Speeding down the lovely British country roads on this amazing, beautiful, glorious winter morning with sunshine and crisp weather. And it's so good. The feeling is so amazing. Especially in this big, giant, powerful beast. Little snake of a road. Can't believe we're in England going down the Black Forest. Or even the south of France, some parts of... My ears popped. How bizarre. And here we are, out in the countryside, complete wilderness. This is the natural habitat for the Range Rover. This is what they're made for. Let me show you where I am. Some nice dirt tracks. It's in its high off-road mode suspension setting. Let me show you around the car and tell you a bit more about what I bought. So as I said, my main purpose for buying this car was to get one that has enough pulling power and torque that it can pull a trailer. Range Rovers, as you know, are designed for off-roading and pulling things, so this is quite a handy, useful car for that. And it's also luxurious and comfortable enough for normal journeys. It's a very good all-rounder. I particularly didn't want a silver one, but I didn't have much choice. I wanted a car with very low miles and very few previous owners, and this was the only one available. Plus, as I said, my requirement was for it to have a sunroof and Apple CarPlay, and that limits the choice even more. But otherwise, it's pretty good. It does everything that I wanted to do, and it's comfortable. So right now I'm here in the Cotswolds in the English countryside. It's magnificent, it's beautiful, it's peaceful. I wish I could just camp here and sleep here in the car. So let's see what else we can find around here. Okay, we are in this farm countryside. Let's see what this thing can do. I might get stuck and there's no one else around to help me, but we shall see. It's like gliding through this knee-deep mud, as if there's nothing. I wonder if this is someone's farm and private land. They might come and tell me to get off their land. But let's see how far we can go without getting told off. The sat-nav shows me nothing. No roads, no nothing. And I can see sheep in the distance.